Hello world, welcome to CyberCrete, and today in this video we are going to see how you can install macOS or so-called HackOS to your Windows operating system. And this video is going to be super easy. You just need to follow the steps shown in the video and you will be able to install it in any computer out there.
What about AMD?
Of course, if you are having AMD, then this video is not for you. You can't install macOS into your Windows operating system with AMD processor. So for those who have AMD, this video is not for you. For Intel user, let's start this video.
Okay, let's just start by firing up our VMware Workstation. And I hope that you already have downloaded and installed it in your system. So once you open the VMware Workstation 15, now to install Mac, we need to enable the option of Mac in our VMware Workstation. And for that, we need some of the files. And here you can see the files that we are going to need: Mojave 10.14 and VMware Tools and Unlocker. So to install Unlocker, first make sure that you are going to close your VMware Workstation completely, and then go to your file manager where you have downloaded this. The download link will be in the description. And here you just go ahead and right click on Windows install CMD and run as administrator, and it will just take a minute to run, but I won't do it. I already have done it. Now again open up your VMware Workstation because you have closed it, and please make sure to close the VMware Workstation before installing the unlocker tool. So now once we are here, click on create a new virtual machine and then click on next, and here I will create operating system later, and click next. And now here you can see Apple, Mac OS X and Mojave 10.14 here. So now simply click on next and just type the name of whatever you want. You can write anything, like literally anything. I will just write Mac OS, and amount of space I'm going to use 40. And please make sure to click on create virtual drive, not on splitted one, and create finish. Or we can also customize hardware here, or I'm going to just give it 4 gigs of RAM. And here processor I'm going to just make it 2 to give my 4 cores to my Mac OS version. And here you click tick the 2 versions and click on finish, and let's just wait. And once we are here, now we have to just remove our hard drive. We are just double click here, and now we are going to remove it. And now what we are going to do is to click add, create a hard drive. It is already selected. Click next and SATA yes. And now here use existing virtual disk, then click on next. Then you have to browse where you have downloaded this Mojave 10.14.3, and just simply click open and finish. And when you have downloaded it, it will be on RAR. You have to just extract it. It will be in that format. Now just simply fire up your VMware Workstation, just click yes. And now let's just wait for our Mac to boot up. It might take some time depending upon the system configuration and the amount of RAM that you have. It might take like 4 to 5 minutes in your PC, so just be patient. It always take time.
A few moments later.
Okay, now it is starting. From here you can select your area of your choice. I will just use America, and for keyboard you can just go with so all and just ABC. It is perfectly fine. I just click continue, 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 because I don't have to agree. And then you can just write your name here, and whatever name you are going to write, it will be become your account name. And the password you have to write, please make sure to remember your password, because that is the thing that we are going to need in future. So please make sure to write something easy that you remember, or you can even use hard password if you have good memories, of course. Now we have clicked on continue, then on continue again. And now I will go with the dark theme. Okay, now continue. Now we are setting up our Mac. Now we have done almost all of the parts. The only thing now that is left is to make our Mac OS full screen. And here you can see we are inside our Mac OS, but you can see that it is not completely full screen. For doing full screen, what we need to do is to download this VMware Tools. The link will be in the description. I already have downloaded it. And then just right click on settings, and then wait for a second, and then go to your CD drive, and from here tick all connected, and then just browse your VMware files inside it. You can just click on install VMware and then click continue and install. And now it is being installed, and now here you need your password. You just write your password. Just be patient. Okay, now this notification came, and just click on open preferences, and now here again you have to write your password, and then just click on this unlock, and then again write your password, and then you have to click on this little allow but first unlock, and then here you have to click on allow, and once you click allow, the process will now start, and it is completed, and then click on restart, and now your system will restart with VMware Tools installed inside it. Now this reboot may also take time, like 2 to 3 minutes, depending upon your system configuration. My system configuration is Intel i5 9300H with 8 gigs of RAM and an SSD.
A few
Okay, now we are
moments
in.
later.
Now just simply write your password here. Again, your system won't be in 1920 into 1080p. Just let me minimize it, or close. Let me close it. You can just go to system and about this Mac, and here wait for a sec. Okay, let's go to display, and here you can see it is 1024 into 768. It is not 1920 into 1080p. So how you can make it? For that you need to write a very simple command, and the command will be here. The command will be in the description below. You just need to copy that command, go here, and then click on the search and search for your terminal, and then hit enter. And once you are in the terminal, just write this command, just paste, and it will ask for the password. Just type the password, and once you type the password, you are inside 1920 into 1080p Mac. Now not even the Godfather may recognize it as a Windows. So here was a quick tour of how you can install macOS in your Windows operating system. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you get stuck in any of the place, you can just ask me in the comment section, and I will be feel free to help you. And again, if by any chance this display quality go back to the 1024 into 768, you can just press up arrow key in your terminal, and this command will come back, and you can just press enter, and it will again come back to 1920 to 1080. So this was all for this video. So thanks for watching, and hope you like this video.